Yo, what is going on YouTube? Spirit Shadow here, bringing you guys a tutorial on 5 recording software for your videos. So the first program that we're going to be taking a look at today is going to be Open Broadcaster software, which is used for live stream or just casual recording system to record your screen or a specific game in the background. So we're going to be taking a look at this right now. This is what I'm currently recording with. So just to get started with it, to be able to get some scene going on or to be able to record your screen, first of all, you're going to add a scene. You're going to call it whatever you want. Let's just do tests. I'm going to go back to desktop because you guys can't see nothing. And then whenever you got that little tab done, you're going to be able to go and add a window capture or a monitor. Window capture is to basically go and choose your game that is currently open in the background, to be able to select it, and only the game will be shown in the video, nothing in the background, nothing. Even if you switch tab or whatever, if you go out of the game, it's not going to be shown in your video. Or the monitor capture to be able to see your desktop, to record your whole desktop, full screen, whatever you're going to do, it's going to show. And you can do as well as a video capture device. You can put your web camera in the corner just for like live stream in the corner, like in the bottom corner or in the top corner. You decide where you want to go. Some image sliders, some text, for music that is going through your Twitch live stream, or stuff like that. I'm just going to be taking a look at the setting right now, real quick. The only thing you want to mess with is the encoding. No, my bad. The broadcast setting. This is where it's going to be the location of your file that is going to be outputted to. Make sure that's the file output only. Because if you go to live stream, that is going to be to live stream on Twitch, and that's going to be another. I think I can do it. You're going to have your stream key that you can be found on Twitch, and everything has to be in there to be able to do the stream. Now let's go to the video. The only thing I want to do here is choose a graphic card. That's my graphic card right there, R9 200 series, overclocked. You can't really see all my specs. My custom, that's when you want to put your monitor pixels, and that's pretty much stock there. I don't know why. Your FPS and the resolution downscale, you can choose it over there as well. Yeah, the last thing you want to mess with is the audio. To put your desktop audio device to, for me, it's going to be my headset because it's plugged in, so all the sounds coming through my headset, it's going to be recorded. But I am not recording it right now. And your microphone, mine's always on disable or default because I have to use my HyperX Cloud. It doesn't really matter because I am using this program called Audacity to record my voice, which is really great. I have to say, no noise in the background. You can basically mess with it, but it's just to get a clean voice and everything. That's what I'm using. So that's basically it for this program. Let's take a look at the second one. That's the D3D Gear. D3D Gear is basically to record only your game, which is what I'm using. This is the best recording software to do to play with, to mess with for your games. The resolution out that comes out of it is spectacular. This is what I use for every single game that I play with, or game capture, except this one, of course, because I can't record the desktop. But let's say you got a game open. Let's just here. I'm gonna open Minecraft. I never really play it. This is going to open, and you're going to be able to see on the little corner right here, if it can open up. And I have to put my account. Okay, so that won't work. But basically, whenever a game opens or start up, you're going to be able to see on the little corner of your screen the thing of the recording. If you go into the broadcast, you don't want to touch this. You want to go into record movies. And I shouldn't have clicked that. Record movies, that's where you're going to change the location. The hotkey to start recording is /ending it, the full screen frame resolution, and the format you want it. That's basically the only thing you want to do. Here you're going to put your main sound, your window loop background, and your microphone. This is where you choose your microphone that you're using. You can change and mess with the volume. After that, that's basically it. You just go into the game, like right here in the corner, you can see 6240. That's basically what my FPS are. That's kind of crazy why it's only at 11. But that's basically it for this one. Let's take a look at the next one. It's going to be Fraps. So Fraps is basically another kind of software, editing software you can play with. Not editing software, recording software, my bad. So you can do screenshots, you can do some movies, which is basically what I'm going to do. But you can also have the future of doing some screenshot whenever you're playing. You're something, a moment that you want to capture, you just screenshot it like real quick. It's basically really user friendly. As you guys can see right here, Frap Windows always on top. That's all the thing you can do. You can run it when Windows starts, so it's always open and ready to go. You can start it while minimized and everything else. Or FPS, that's is where you can hide it or you can put an overlay, basically what you want. And that's about it. Movies, this is where magic comes through. You can change the location to put it wherever you want to be able to see it. As you guys can see right here, I'm just going to click my document library, whatever, pictures, bam, bam. Choose a location, that's it. Video capture, you can disable it and put a new one, let's say F7. There we go. Your FPS, usually on 60 FPS for me. And the looper buff, you don't really mess with that. Up to you. You want to record a Windows 7 sound for your game. You basically do stereo or multi-channel depending on what you want. Recording, that's to put another extra mic. You set it up right there. But like I said, I do not use the mic system. I just use my recording software and then Audacity. Screenshot, you put another different screenshot capture key. Make sure it's not the same thing as the movie because that's going to be really bad. And you change location as well. The image from it, that's it. And the last one is going to be quite interesting to show this one in video. And you wouldn't expect this, but VLC Media Player, which is basically a video software that you can play, you can run onto it to play your music, your videos that you want to watch, but can also actually record. If you go to stream, go to capture device, you can do a direct show, a desktop, or a TV if you have a TV plugged in. But I'm going to do a desktop, and you can exactly put your FPS up to like, let's say 15 or whatever you want, up to you. And you just click stream right here, and it will exactly put it like exactly. I don't know how to say it, but just record your screen and do whatever you want. It's basically a feature that VLC did that I didn't even know about. I just recently learned about it. Last but not least, we're going to be taking a look at CamStudio. CamStudio is a free recording software. Being able to have CamStudio for free makes you be able to record your screen. It can be your gaming screen or even your desktop. The only thing you have to do is take your region. You can go into your full screen or a window, whatever you want, or you can do a fixed region by clicking over here, drag corner to plan, click OK, and that did not work. Region, fixed region, select. Go from one corner to the other side of the corner or a specific amount of area you want to record, which is pretty much going to be, let's say, your full screen. Everything's going to be there. And there you go, click OK, and that's what it's going to be recording from. Simply hit record and stop whenever you're done. And you can also, if you go to the options, you can hide your cursor, you can put your cursor in, audio option, your microphone, your speaker, and there's synchronization between those both. And also go inside, if I can find it real quick, will be supposed to be somewhere around here. Output directory, and then you can do use specified directory, find a place where you want to put it, and that's it. You go to that folder after you're done recording and you get the video that you want. That's basically it for CamStudio. But that's about it for today, guys. Uh, that's basically the 5 software you want to get. The link's going to be in the description for you guys to go and download them. Hope you guys enjoyed this today's episode, and it was really fun for me to do it. Hope it helped you guys to choose a good program for you guys that is going to work for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Please leave a like below if you did, and see you guys next time.